Hey everyone, Robert here. Today is Christmas, the 25th of December. I'd like to welcome everybody to the channel. If you're new here, please subscribe. Be a sticky subscriber. Subscribe and stay. That's what it is. Update on Mika. Still at the dealership waiting for a code. I don't know how long it takes to produce a code for the transmission, but it's taking way too long. Just an update, just so you guys know, a little car talk. The loaner I'm in from the dealership is a 2025 CLA 250. It's a 4-cylinder inline with an 8-speed transmission. The thing about this Mercedes is it's extremely strange. How? It's front-wheel drive. My vehicle is a rear-wheel drive, and they also make 4MATICs, but I never knew they made a front-wheel drive vehicle. My guess is they probably release it in Europe and Germany. They probably have more of them there. So I'm in the loaner. I don't know how long it's going to be. Just thought I'd give you guys an update. The car is fantastic. It has a great new car smell. It only has 3,000 miles on it. Not bad for a 4-cylinder. Oh yeah, plus it's turbocharged. The horsepower is 221 on the horsepower, and it's 258 on the torque. Since it has a turbo, that's where we get the high torque. Which you guys, I'm sure, know that. So the channel is going the way I thought it would go. It's increasingly getting better. I got this guy that's on my butt. I don't think he knows what he's doing. So if you've been watching the channel for a long time, I usually don't talk during videos. That's because I want you guys to enjoy the videos like I do when I film it. Everything I do on driving, it has a reason. So I just thought I'd chime in on this end of this video. I decided to go out today to get a video in, because I like to do. I like to film videos every day. Always fresh content. You'll see this video after I get home to edit it. A couple hours after that. Yeah, I wish you guys could all go along with me inside the Mercedes. Could you imagine that? 7,000 people crammed into the vehicle. I can see it. Check this out. You're going down the freeway, right? 7,000 people in the vehicle. Arms, feet, legs, heads out the window. It's like this undulating mass going down the freeway. That would be hilarious. So, cruising in the loaner. Yeah, if I could recommend a vehicle, this would be a good entry-level vehicle. The CLA 250. It really has a lot of excitement. If you put your foot into it at around the 4th gear, it really picks up and moves. It was shockingly surprising to me that it was this fast for being this type of vehicle. But it's fun. Totally fun to drive. I don't know how much they start out at. I think they might be about $30,000 probably, or more. That's right. It also has a double clutch on it. Go figure. But I just thought I'd jump in here real quick, give you some information about the channel and about the vehicle and about Mika. And if anybody doesn't know who Mika is the co-star of the channel. She's getting a new transmission put in and she's over at the dealership. And I'd like to go ahead and say thank you to all my OG subscribers, new subscribers, and to be subscribers. Be a sticky subscriber. Subscribe and stay. The channel's just getting started. It's only 9 months old. We got a red light up here. You all know what that means. Until the next time on the videos, I'll be addressing you guys a little bit more on the videos as we move forward. Late.